Hello and welcome to Snows Accident Repair Centre. As you can see, the place is huge and we've got the capability of repairing up to 100 cars a week.
The centre represents an investment of around £1 million for the Snows Group. The huge new facility opened in 2019 and has 4 spray ovens and 1 aluminium bay, making it one of the most comprehensive accident repair centres on the South Coast.
The new facility based in Southampton has the capability of repairing up to 100 vehicles a week. We have approximately 60 work bays with 23 staff working out of the operation at the moment. We have the capability of repairing all makes and models of vehicles. We can pretty much account for any type of repair that comes by our door. At Snows, we've invested heavily in training and the technology that's gone into the new accident repair centre to ensure that cars are repaired safely and all our staff are suitably trained by all our manufacturers.
Excellence is paramount, and Snows has moved away from volume insurance work and towards manufacturer approvals.
We understand that having an accident can be a very stressful time, and we like to feel that we take the stress out of the situation for you, and no matter which way you decide to go, whether it be insurance or paying for the repairs yourself, we look after you from start to finish.
The centre holds full approvals for body and paint repairs from 18 manufacturers, including BMW, Lexus, Volvo and Volkswagen. Maintaining these manufacturer approvals requires full audits of our service 4 times a year. Despite this rigorous process, we are in the top 5 of body and repair centres nationally for many of our manufacturers.
Accessing us couldn't be easier. All the way from Plymouth to Portsmouth, we're a one-stop shop for your accident repair needs.